When it comes to the development and maintenance of highways, the role of highway surveyors cannot be underestimated. In the bustling city of Noida, specifically in Sector 50, there is a need for highly skilled and experienced highway surveyors to ensure that the roads are designed and constructed efficiently. These surveyors play a crucial role in the planning and execution of highway projects, utilizing their expertise to gather data and analyze various factors that influence the design and layout of the roads. One of the key aspects of highway surveying in Noida Sector 50 is the Scon design. Scon stands for Survey Control Network, which essentially refers to the establishment of a network of control points that serve as reference points for various survey activities. The Scon design is crucial in ensuring accurate measurements and precise positioning of the elements involved in highway construction. It helps in minimizing errors, improving efficiency, and maintaining consistency throughout the project. In Noida Sector 50, highway surveyors use advanced technology and equipment to carry out their tasks effectively. They utilize DGP systems, total stations, and laser scanning devices to capture accurate data on existing topography, road alignments, and other relevant information. This data is then processed and analyzed using specialized software to create detailed designs and plans for highway construction and improvement projects. The role of highway surveyors goes beyond just designing roads. They also play a vital role in assessing potential risks and ensuring safety on the highways. By conducting thorough surveys, they identify areas prone to accidents or congestion and suggest appropriate measures to mitigate these risks. This could include implementing traffic control systems, constructing barriers or dividers, or redesigning intersections to improve traffic flow. The importance of highway surveyors in the construction and upkeep of roadways cannot be overstated. To ensure that the roads are designed and built effectively, there is a need for highly qualified and experienced highway surveyors in Noida, particularly in Sector 50. By using their knowledge to gather information and examine many elements that affect the design and layout of the roads, these surveyors play a significant part in the planning and execution of highway projects. The Scon design is one of the most important elements of highway surveying in Noida Sector 50. The term Survey Control Network, abbreviated as SCON, basically describes the creation of a network of control points that operate as reference points for various survey activities. In order to ensure accurate measurements and precise positioning of the parts involved in highway construction, the Scon design is essential. Errors are reduced, productivity is increased, and consistency is preserved throughout the project, thanks to it. Highway surveyors in Noida Sector 50 employ cutting-edge tools and technology to complete their work efficiently. They gather precise data on the topography, road alignments, and other pertinent information using DGP